You finally made it to 329 Kapolei. This event is not a new event, but the idea of coming together and networking and loving on your neighbor and your friend might be something hard to accomplish in 2022. This is hopefully the first of many events where we can bring the community together to celebrate life and food and medicine. We're over here with the ultimate medicines of the Aina. Yeah, we get the Niu, we get the Kalo, we get the Ulu, we get the Huala. You can come have kombucha, you can enjoy food from farmers, you can visit local vendors and sharp to your heart's content. If you're a 329 member, check it out. 329 card required.
Yeah. Well, there's not a killer pick up marijuana.
Hey.
Crack products in the house, baby.
Bring our son Junior with us today.
Yeah, sure, I'll get him.
Turn them on. You see the thing. That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
500 amp hours.
Yep, 500 amp hours. It pushes 3,000 watts. And it comes with 4 350 watt solar panels.
So if I use all my capacity, how long takes for charge?
Good question. Depends on the sun.
We're gonna get back to this one, yeah. Mahalo farmers in the house.
Now it's time to shine. My generation and my people, yes, I know we got to keep ourselves in line. Now it's time to shine. Let our conscience too much us before we hit this man-made deadline. And our hearts and our minds, we all need to fix. Babylon and propaganda plague us 666. And still know some of them are just caught up in a mix. But them silly politics for us all forget. Today's a brand new day. Just wipe away my pain. Let the words of my mouth not in your ear, it's sustain. Them tricking all the giving just to gain another gain. But them closing up them doors when Jaman I walk down the lane. So much people dying because of them wicked ones. So many mamas crying in this dirty Babylon. Them criticizing like some mankind to keep us off from rising. So now it's time to shine. My generation and my people, yes, I know we got to keep ourselves in line. Now it's time to shine.
Hello, guys. Oh.
You gotta try the Mahalo crunch.
But I go flat tire. I cannot go flat tire. It's early right now.
Too early for go flat.
Yeah.
Too early. I'll give one now on it.
Give me the mic and I will tell you things that you don't know. Give me the mic and I will make a Babylon then fall. Give me the mic and I will definitely ban GMO. Give me the mic and I will only speak about the truth. I said, now did you know you can get protein from eating your greens like spinach and artichoke, chickpeas and broccoli? Inspection showed 120 substances in meat like penicillin and flunixin. Even heavy metals like arsenic, loaded with the copper and ivermectin. These things cause cancer and can lead to death. We all know that money comes from the bank. But did you know the banks are owned by wicked men? Did you know they fund the wars and destruction? All a part of the plan to control all human. The names are Rockefeller and Rothschild. Google up these names and you'll find out. Like Illuminati and the New World Order. Just give me the mic, Babylon I shall murder. Give me the mic and I will tell you things that you don't know. Give me the mic and I will make a Babylon then fall. Give me the mic.
And I'm talking to you, everybody. We love you guys. Thank you for coming, spending your weekend and your last of your weekend over here with us, guys. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. We're singing balls rolling, clock ticking, music flowing, Don't be tripping. Is everyone happy? Is everyone skanking? Gonna keep on moving. Vibes are vibing.
Vibes are vibing.
Sing it. We Sing it.
right, you guys. Now, I know you'd be like, Uncle Daniel voting is bubbles. But I want to tell you guys a real quick story, because one time, not that long ago, making poi traditionally was illegal. Yeah, and when we thought about legalizing it, going in that direction, all the politicians told me it was going to take at least 10 years. I was like, bruh, I don't have 10 years. We got to do it now. And a small band of soldiers, let me tell you, these guys showed up every single week for like 7 months, 20 people. And in that amount of time, we were able to dismantle the views of government on traditional poi making. We can do that with anything. That was with 20 people. 20 committed people that were willing to get together once a week, make commitments on what they were gonna do, and then do it. It's actually not that hard. And I look around and I see a lot of motivated individuals. Connected. Yeah? Whether you Kanaka, you not Kanaka, you just moved here, this place called Earth is where we are all from. Yeah, and our kuleana ties to our ancestry, ties to our DNA, but it actually, none of that matters if the future of this place is gonna be left in rubble. Our generation is seeing things that we have never seen, never imagined. Who here didn't read COVID in some sci-fi novel in high school? Tell you what, as frightened as I am, I'm encouraged, empowered, and inspired to get to be the generation that freaking breaks this thing down, rebuilds it back organically, yeah? Without the chemical additives, fertilizers, making our own natural fertilizers, building our soil. You know what, this whole thing about sea level rising is bunk. If we just build soil, we can keep building up, yeah? And we need to think about how important the farmers are in creating the lifestyle for us to participate in. You guys, our current lifestyle is 150% not sustainable. And we can blindly continue to live it, but the impacts of our blindness will continue to trip us socially, economically, through our health, through our well-being. And the only way for us to break this cycle is to start right here. It's how you treat yourself. It's what you eat. It's what you empower your body with, the kinds of medicines that you take. I know I'm preaching to the choir, but this is important because on the way home tonight, hopefully the positiveness of this event will trickle into some of your daily activities.